Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and fit. Plug the case in or use a charged spare battery. Once the lights show enough charge, open the case. Make sure each earbud is fitted with the correct tip, R for right, L for left, because seal affects bass and noise isolation. Next, press the earbud's power/Bluetooth button. You'll hear a voice prompt. Do this now so your phone or player can find the earbuds in the next step. Once done, put the earbuds into pairing mode by holding the button until the LED flashes and you hear ready to pair. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Select the listed Bose Sport Wireless name. Make sure to accept any connection prompts and grant permissions for audio and calls so both music and phone functions work. If your device asks to confirm a code, confirm matching digits. After pairing, you'll hear a confirmation tone. Test playback to verify left and right channels. You now learn daily controls and troubleshooting. Use the touch or physical controls to play, pause, skip tracks, and answer calls. Practice so the gestures feel natural. Make sure the seal is snug. Poor fit equals weak bass. If audio drops or connection fails, return earbuds to the charging case, close the lid, then reopen and hold the Bluetooth button for about 10 seconds to reset. If problems persist, recharge the case fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.